Hey everyone, let's talk about Massaman Curry. It's a super yummy curry from Thailand. This curry is really cool because it's a mix of Thai, Indian and Malaysian food. It's a really popular dish and people love its interesting history and awesome flavors. Massaman Curry has been around for a super long time, and over the years different cultures have added their own special ingredients, which makes it really unique. The mix of spices is what makes it so special. Okay, so the main ingredient in Massaman curry is beef. It gets super tender because it cooks slowly in coconut milk. We also add potatoes, which make it nice and filling, and onions, which give it a little sweetness. Spices are super important in Massaman curry. Cinnamon, cardamom and cloves add a warm flavor. You know, these spices are also used in Indian cooking, which shows how the different food cultures all mix together. So how do we make it? First, we cook the beef until it's brown. This gives it a nice color and yummy flavor. Then we cook the curry paste. This makes the spices smell amazing. Next, we slowly add coconut milk, which makes a creamy sauce. The beef cooks in the sauce until it's super tender. Massaman curry isn't too spicy. It has a mild, warm and yummy flavor because of all the spices. It's best served with steamed rice, and you can add some fresh cilantro on top. It's a really delicious and filling meal, perfect for everyone in Kuala Lumpur.